So if they miss, you can send it. Okay. So I told you we have 15 chapters there is this year. Okay. And just go through all the chapters, just an introduction. Okay. Hey, don't open the reader and close it. Okay. I hope everyone have the notebook like this, right? The record. Okay, with the margin. Margin is very important thing. Otherwise, I'll throw the book. Okay. Do keep the margin, not now. Okay. If there is no margin, it will be out. Okay. So I was very concerned about that. Okay. Margin. Okay, keep it. Try to get like this book. Okay, this is already posted in the group now. Okay, so the thing is, you should be very punctual in that case because you are going to write the board exams, right? Okay, board should be very clean. Okay, because you write something, if you make mistakes, schools, okay, you can just go and correct it. And board, you cannot go there. Even you go to court, also not allowed. Rechecking not allowed. Board, okay. Recalculation is there only just count the marks only. So you perfectly have to write it. Okay. And very easy. Don't worry about the we are going to write board. Something. Okay. Very easy to get board marks. Okay. Even for example, capital of India, what? New Delhi. Okay. By mistake, it's Nihal, right? No? Nihal wrote New Nihal. Okay. Still, he get out of 1, half mark will get it. Why? New is there? No. Half is correct, right? So like that only CBSE very liberal. Okay. New Richard will get mark, right? Because new is there is no like that. No. So don't have to worry about it. Okay. First chapter is real numbers, number system. Okay. I'm not going to start now. It's a very not easy chapter. Okay. Not easy means still some. If it is full portions, you'll be in trouble. Okay. The concept is not easy that. Okay. So we'll take later. Okay. It's actually continuation of last year portions. Number system we learned now already. That okay. And second chapter, polynomials. Okay. Polynomials you learn already. Last year learned, right? It's a continuation of the last year polynomials. This year also continuation. Next, linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, so polynomials you learn. Okay. Next, linear recursion 2 variables. You learn already, right? Continuation only. Hey, why are you writing man this all? It's already in your book. Why are you writing? Don't write anything. Okay. Then quadratic equations. You think it's a new? No. Because quadratic polynomial you learn. So just equal to 0. What? Equations. Finish. Okay. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Polynomials. Quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. Next one, arithmetic progression. It's a new chapter. AP. Okay. Not Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Arithmetic progressions. Then triangles. You learned already last year. Then coordinate geometry. You learned last year. Next one, introduction of trigonometry. It's a new chapter. Purely new chapter. It's a very important chapter. This will continue. Class 11, 12, engineering, even higher studies, all based on trigonometry. Okay. 2 chapters there is. Application also there is. How to apply. Okay. So far you didn't learn how. Suppose you learned last year polynomials. But you are thinking about what is used in our daily life, this polynomials, not even good for FFC, right? Like this you think, right? Why should I learn this one? Okay. Then circle, you learn continuation. Okay. Then construction, maybe this year also we will drop that one. How to construct the triangles and all, okay. Then areas related to circle. That is this areas related to circle plus surface area volumes. Only learn. Statistics, we learn. Last one, probability, we learn. Okay, so simple. Okay. These are the chapters you have to learn. Okay. See the offline students while coming and going should not make any disturbance to the neighbor, the building guys and all. And while going, who all transport here? Okay, first transport guys go. I'll check. Transport is down, then okay. Then after that, long Abolifa, who are coming from Abolifa, and you check with your parents the down and all. Okay, then you can go. Okay. Second, third, Mangaf. You're all here. You check with the parents and you can go down. Okay. Last one, our building. This building, anyone here? Okay, so you go last. Okay. Okay, you and nearby walking guys. Walking guys. You also walking guys. You are building. Next building. You also go last then. Okay. Okay. Next building, walking guys. This building, don't go. You wait here till the last. Okay. It's clear now. This is the intersection. Okay. If anyone violate, I immediately remove them. See, I saw a lot of calls there is. Okay. A lot of calls there is. See now, 19 waiting in the list. Okay. So if anyone make mistakes, I don't care about. I remove them. Like that only before I did the offline students. Okay. Okay. And online students, listen. After the each and every class, you have to send the note to me. Just after, within suppose 8:40, 8:15 class finish, before 8:45, your note should be in the WhatsApp. Clear now? Ananya, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone, Janani, Farah, Joshua, Ashlyn, this all, is there? Okay, okay. She's just where this guy. Okay, what's the name? Okay, this is there. Okay. You are really ready to sit. Okay, so you lucky you booked before. Okay, so we are going to start the polynomials. Okay. Yeah, don't open. Why so hurry? Okay, you don't worry about it. Okay, so don't think you are in class 10. You skip all your cricket or football matches and your serials and all. No, you can see everything. Okay, don't need to worry about it. Okay, so serials you miss the story. Continuity, you will miss it. Exam later also come. No problem. Okay. So, what's your name?
Avni.
Avni. Okay. So, polynomials. Last year, just introduction of last year. Okay. After that, we'll back to class 10 portions because you may be forgot. Actually, our last year students no chance to forgot because how many times we revised? We boring this polynomials, number system, and how many times we did, I don't know. Okay, okay. So anyway, we had about expressions. Okay, there are two types of expressions. That is numerical expressions and algebraic expressions. That is. Numerical expression means only numbers like 3 plus 7. Okay, that is called numerical expressions. Algebraic expression means an expressions involving variables and numerals like 3x plus 4 or 7y square plus 8y plus 3. These are called algebraic expressions. An expression involving variables and numerals. It is called algebraic expressions. Okay, only numerals. That is what numerical expressions. Okay, in an algebraic expressions. Okay, you had about degrees. For example, here 3x raised to 5. Here x raised to 5. That 5 it is called what? Degree is called degree. Okay. Suppose 2x. What is the degree? One.
So 1.
Degree 1. Okay, here actually 2x raised to 1. Just y degree what? 1. Z degree what? 1. Okay. 2, what the degree? 0. What do you call this one? Constant polynomials. It's called constant polynomials. Okay. In an algebraic expressions, okay, each and every terms degree whole numbers. You heard about whole numbers, right? Last year we learned a number starting with a 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. That is called the whole numbers, right? Okay. Okay. So look at here. 3x cube plus 2x plus 4. Okay. 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4. Here, degree is what? 3. Here, degree what? 2. Here, degree what? 0. Right? 0. 0. Right? Okay. 7x raised to 9 plus 8x raised to 6, 3x raised to 4 plus 5x cube plus 2x square plus 7x plus 9. Okay. Just one polynomial I wrote. Okay. Here, don't write anything. This is just last year and repetition only. Okay. Only guys also don't write anything. Just view this class. Okay. Here, degree what? 9. Here, degree 6. Here, degree 4. Here, degree 3. Here, degree 2. Here, degree 1. Here, okay. Happy. All the degrees are what? Whole numbers. Correct or no? Yes. Okay. Then we can say this is a polynomial. Each and everything you have to check it. Here, degree 9. Degree understood? No? This 7, what you call one special word is that? What is that called? Coefficient. Not constant, coefficient. 7 is called coefficients. 8, the coefficient of x raised to 6. This is coefficient of x raised to 4. Coefficient 5 is the coefficient of x cubed, like that. Okay. 7, see 7 x raised to 9. In that 7 is called the coefficient. 9 is called the degree. Samjha? Suppose 8x cube. 3 is the degree. 8 is the coefficients. Okay. Okay, now? Okay. What's your previous thing, right? Okay. Okay, now we check all the terms, degrees are whole numbers. So we can say this is a polynomial. Okay. Suppose, unfortunately, one term is like this. 10x raised to minus 10. Okay. So, because of this term, because 10x raised to minus 10, because of that term, this entire what? Not important. Understood? Because only one guy, suppose in a class, one guy, everybody got 100. Okay. But one guy got 0. So the class average is problem. Correct or no? Right? But everybody gets 0, then also everybody happy. Oh, correct or no? Everybody got 0, then happy. No, right? Nobody got 100, then right? Hey, hello. Everybody got 0. 0 means suppose in a village, Abu area, complete chicken box. Okay, so they don't need to ask how are you now? Why? Everybody chicken box only, right? Suppose suppose your house power gone. Okay. Okay, so then what do you do first? We just open the curtain and check the neighbor. Neighbor also know. Oh, good. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Right. Right? Especially Malayali like that only. Just open the door. Oh, check. Oh, he also know power. Good. Okay. Like that. Correct? Okay, like that. Everybody got here all the terms here, all numbers. Okay, then polynomial. Okay, so that means I understood what is the polynomial. Suppose look at here, x raised to minus 3. This is not a polynomial. Reason what? Power is minus. It's not a polynomial. Because minus, you just say minus 3 is not a whole number. Okay, x raised to 2 by 3 is a polynomial. No, because 2 by 3 not a polynomial. X raised to root 2 is a polynomial? No, it's not a polynomial. Because root 2 is not a polynomial. Okay. Minus 3x is a polynomial. Why? Yes. Coefficient, any number, no problem. Okay. 2 by 3x is a polynomial. There is no issue. Okay. Okay, now? Okay. Then, root 2x is a polynomial.
Yes.
It's a polynomial. But when you write a root 2, it just by mistake you write like this. X is under the root, then not a polynomial. Because root of x is to 1 by 2. Understood now?
Yes.
So very careful this one. That means coefficients, any real numbers, no problem. But power degree should be polynomial. This is the difference between polynomials and algebraic expressions. So we can say all polynomials are what? Algebraic expressions. Or because all polynomials are algebraic expressions. Okay, but all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Okay, like police. All police are what? Human being. Correct or no? All human are not police. So all polynomials are algebraic expressions, whereas all algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Okay, this you learned last year. Clear now? You understood how to pick from the supermarket which is a polynomial, which is an algebraic expressions. Once again, I tell you, in an expression, in an algebraic expression, okay, in an algebraic expression, all the degrees are whole numbers. It is called a polynomial. Okay, okay, in a polynomial, all the terms are 0. So what happened? It is 0 polynomials. All the terms are complete 0. Like I told you, a complete chicken box like that. All the terms are 0. 0x raised to 4, 0x raised to 3, like that. It is called 0 polynomials. Okay, you learned last year. What is the degree of a 0 polynomial? Not defined. Not defined. Degree of a 0 polynomial not defined. Okay, that also you learn. In a polynomial, it's only one term, like 8, 10. That is called a constant polynomial. The degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Okay, and depends on the terms. Depends on the terms. Like in a polynomial, only one term. It is called monomials, like x, y, 10, like that, 10x, like that. In a polynomial, 2 terms, it is called binomials, like a bicycle. Why it is called bicycle? 2 wheel, not like that. Okay. If in a polynomial 3 terms, it is called trinomials. It's called binomials. Okay. This all called poly. What do you mean by poly? Many. Polytechnic, polyclinic. That's called many. Okay. So that is we also learned last year. Okay. Then you will learn value of a polynomial here. Okay, that's very important thing. Okay. Just I just recap. Suppose one polynomial p of x. This is p of x means name we are calling. Okay, easy to call. Suppose that's why you have name now. Okay, before origin of our human, around 2 lakhs years back, there was no name. Name only recently only came name. Okay, you can Nihal, Abdul, what's your name? Priyadarshini. This all recently only we start. Before no name. Suppose animals in jungle, they no name. Who will call? Their parents will call. Okay, this. Okay, animals, lion, no name. Okay, right? Elephant, no name. Correct. But when the elephant comes to our place, we call the name and Ram. Okay, Mohan, like that. Correct or no? But I didn't see any animals, any elephant with Varghese and or Thomas and or only Ram, like that. Why? Why? Reason is no to get the no man to get the business in the tables and tender no like that. Okay, as a business owner maybe Thomas or Varghese or something, but they name the purposely Balram like that and all. Okay, now artificial elephant is there. You had the news. Hey, come on, Atul, you had in Trichure one temple they use the artificial with exact like elephant. We cannot trace this is artificial with the iron and all they made an elephant. Okay, here also they do like this. Tail also like everything like exact natural. Okay, actually elephants are supposed to go to live in the jungle. Not easy in our place because they need more food and all that much they eat. Okay, a free life. Okay, it's very cruel. Elephants in our place and all. Okay, yeah, even the now actually elephant not required. Before there was no JCB and all. Still now, now JCB is there. Why the elephant is no use? Okay, okay. So, but still, some they're telling elephant lovers there is they like elephant. Actually, real elephant lovers supposed to send the elephant to all jungle. So let them live there. Okay. Suppose if you are in a if you someone caught and keep in a place, you'll be trouble now like that. Okay. Come back to the point. Okay. So that's a P of the name. a polynomial, there is some name there is, okay, like P of X, G of X, S of X, Q of X, like that. Okay. Suppose a polynomial x plus 3, a polynomial. So now P of X means x plus 3. We don't want to say x plus 3. Short. Suppose you have a pet name like that, no? Okay. So then I'm called P of 1, like, hey, wait, P of 1 means we are replacing. We are replacing, you are careful, okay, we didn't learn anything in class 9. Okay, you know, okay. So P of 1, that means we are replacing x to 1. So 1 plus 3, that is called 4. So that means we are saying the value of this polynomial when x equal to 1 equal to 4. Clear or not? The value of this polynomial when x equal to 1, it is called 4. Okay. Then P of 0 plus 3, that is 3. Okay, that means value of this polynomial when x equal to 0 equal to 3. Okay. P of 2, what? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. It's clear or not? The guys, Amar, is it okay? Ananya? And
Yes, sir.
clear now?
Yes, sir.
It's very simple. Last year we learned, just repeating. Okay. Okay. Now that this is called okay, one more polynomial I'll show you. Okay, P of X equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Then P of 1. Okay, can you say what the answer? 4. 1 square 1 plus 2 plus 1. So 4. Correct or not? That means the P of, okay, no? Okay. What's your name? Okay. P of 1 equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1. That is called what do you call the value of the polynomial. So now we understood, just brief, what is the algebraic expression, understood, what is the polynomial, understood, what is the degree, understood, right, coefficient, understood, then monomial, understood, binomial, okay, then what, trinomial, then what is the polynomial, and value of the polynomials. It's clear? Okay. Now next part, this also, next part also part of class 9. Okay. Okay. Zero of the polynomials. Okay. Zero of the polynomials. Okay. The new guys, I want to tell you one thing. Okay. All new guys. Okay. Last year the who all studied here. They have the note. Okay. Make a table, the square table. Hey, hello. Listen. What's your name? Okay. Square table is 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, etc., etc., 12, 124, 20, 400, 21, 441, till 30, you make a table and by heart it. Okay, it will be very helpful because you know maybe some part of the your question we want 24 square. Immediately you can write how much 576. Otherwise, other guys keep on multiply 24 into 24 and for taking all the finger all finish. Then his friend finger also taking. Okay, that day he move the finger, then stuck. Okay, so this is easy because timing is very important. Understood now? Time management is very important. Then you have to keep, you have to finish it. Okay, 20 marks MCQ there is. Okay. 20 marks, that means we have to finish it very fast. Clear? That's time management. Everyone know the ideas because if you get more time, you can do it all. But time is important. Okay. So this is you make a table. Last year students they made already. Okay. Okay, then. Okay, now we are going to say that what you call value of the polynomials. Listen. P of X equal to X plus 3. Oh, not values here. Okay. Okay. P of 1. What happened? 4, right? Yes. P of 2, 5. P of 3, 6. P of minus 1, 2. P of minus 2, 1. P of 0, 3. P of minus 3. Cannot? You. Okay. So now look at here. Look, listen. P of 1 we got 4. So that means one is not the zero of this polynomial. One is not the zero of this polynomial. Why? You didn't get zero. Our aim is what? To get zero. Come on, man. Our aim is the first time we are searching to, we are wishing to get a zero, right? Actually, you don't want. Come on. That's the mathematics. First time we are wish to get a zero, right? Right? You are eagerly waiting a zero to get a zero. Okay. P of 1, we didn't get zero. Unlike P of 2, we didn't get zero because you got 5 only. P of 3, we didn't get zero. We got 6. P of minus 1, we didn't get zero. We got 2. P of minus 2, we got 1. We didn't get zero. P of 0, P of 0 also I gave. That means 0 also not a zero of the polynomial. What? Zero. Here I can say 1 is not a 1 is not a zero of this. 1 is not a zero of this polynomial. Okay. 1 is not a zero of this polynomial. 2 is not a zero of the polynomial. 3 is not a zero of the polynomials. 0 also is 0. 0 also 0 of this polynomial. Then when we got 3 minus 3, so we got 0. Finally, we got it. That means minus 3 is the 0 of this polynomials. This is what you learn, correct or no? Okay. Now, it's very simple and manually very simple. But how x plus 3? X plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to minus 3. Right? Okay. Now, when I ask the question, what's it, right? Okay. X plus 2, what is the 0? Minus 2. Ashley, x plus 5, what is 0? Hello, Ashley. Ashwin, hello, Ashwin. X plus 5, what is 0? No. Crispin, x plus 5, what is 0? Okay, good. Farah.
So minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay. Joshua, x plus 6, what is 0?
Minus 6.
X minus 6. X minus 6, Bhargavi, what is 0?
6.
6. Okay. Shreya, x plus 1 by 2, what is 0?
Minus 1 by 2.
Sahidi, right? Sahidi joined online.
Oh, yes, sir.
Hey, you said you want offline, so you will be continuing online only, right?
No, sir. Just for this class because I'm in India.
Oh, okay.
I'll be back.
Okay. Okay. So, actually, online, those who seriously study, no problem. Okay. I'm sleepy, guys. Hey, why is I didn't focus on you. Okay. Okay. So that means you are sleeping, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, now I understood how to get the zeros. X plus 5 equal to 0, that is x equal to minus. Okay. Now, we have to learn geometrical. This is the up to here now. See, now this is only up to 9th. We finish 9th class. Okay. Now we are going to start the 10th questions. Not right. Okay. First of all, geometrical representation of the zero point. Okay. Don't write, man. Okay. I'll give the time. Lot of things to write. Okay. So look at here. Suppose one equation x plus 3. Okay. Let us see now. When you draw the graph, y equal to x plus 3. Studied now how to draw the graph, right? Okay. Minimum 3 coordinates required and all. Okay. So here I put 0. Okay. What is the value? Okay. Now 0. Oh, again 0 1. Minus 3 0 2 1. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go to the graph. You don't want to draw it, right? Okay. I'm very weak to solve. Okay. Okay. Actually, this is the 38th year same subdivision. So double than your age, right? Yeah. Okay. So don't think I'm so old. Okay. Not that very since student also I started. Okay. Externally, that's not like it. So same books, same thing every year. Okay. And also every year almost 2-3 batches. So that means double. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This new guys don't think I'm teaching in school, any school in Kuwait. Okay. But some other place. Okay. I was teaching in India. Maybe you think, oh, this guy just here teaching only. No, not like that. I was in a Don Bosco school teacher. Okay. In Assam. Okay. You know Assam where it is, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So then after that I reach here. Then I have free time after 3. So just helpful to my neighbor and like that. That's okay. Okay. So here -1, -2, minus. Okay. I'm going to plot the graph. Okay. What's your name? Adi. Okay, you can see now. You. Okay. So here, next time more arrange the seats. Okay, not today. The last day. Okay. So the timing is not changed. Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, 6:30 to 8:50. No, it's 8:50. Okay. If one, we can extend it. Okay, so let us see first. Okay, and also some classes we can arrange this extra classes. We can arrange online. Okay, so maybe Gulf India students have special chapters or separate chapters. If any schools like that exams, you can sit at home. I can online. I can plan this. In addition to the component. Okay, these are the time. No, it is fixed. Okay, there is no changes. Okay, but I have sometimes I have another class before this. So okay, x equal to 0, 3. X equal to 0, 3 here. I mark here. Okay, -3, 0. Okay, enough. No? 2 points enough. Okay, actually 3 points. Okay, this is the graph. Okay. So this is you know how to draw the graph, right? Okay. And okay. What's your sister name? Okay. Okay. So what's the name? Sahib. Sahib. You're somebody studied here?
Yes,
Sahad. Oh, I was just thinking about exactly like your Sahad, right? I think 2020 batch, right? Just COVID time. Yeah.
Yeah.
You called me last year also, correct? No.
yes.
Ah. But you again registered with another mobile number, right? Come on, man. Right? Very cunning guy. Okay. Otherwise, I'll trace now. But I understood you have your brother. Oh, your brother. Okay. So, anyone others? Anyone's brother or sister studied? Richa. Who? Gia. Okay. You? Okay. You?
Srishti.
Srishti.
So she was with Anir with Roshni.
Okay. You?
Nishi.
Nishi. Any others? Okay. You?
Sayuk.
Okay. Currently. Okay. I didn't get much time for offline. Okay. Actually, I was not planned to open offline. Okay. But my neighbors are not requested. Okay. This neighbors are not here. I was there. Okay. So then I went to start offline. Okay. That's only. Okay. And your sister studied here. Anyone? Okay. Okay. So, okay. Now, Now look at the graph. Hey, don't draw, man. Wait, why so hurry? Okay. So this graph, check where this line intersects x-axis. Minus. Right? What is our 0? Minus. Kripa, right? Okay. See the graph intersects the x-axis at x equal to -3. Correct? Anjali, okay now? You can see now? Okay, right? Sure now? Okay. The graph intersects the x-axis at x equal to -3. And also we notice that the 0 also -3. Correct? 0 also -3. Graph cross the x-axis at -3. Okay. That's why I told you last year. Every graph you should what? Extend the line. Otherwise, you say, oh no, my line not extending, no 0 also. Suppose you did like this one small line. then saying, oh, my line not extending, not close. No, you can extend it because lower classes, KG1, 1 minus 5. Oh, question wrong, right? Right, now you know 1 minus 5 minus 4, like that. Okay, like that, you have to extend it. Okay, okay. Okay, now, where this line intersects x-axis? Okay, at minus. So, the geometric, listen now, this is important point. The geometrical meaning of a zero of a polynomial means where this line intersects the x-axis, its x-coordinate. Clear or not?
Yes.
Where the line intersect the x-axis, not y-axis. Y-axis mark 5. Okay. Where the line cross or intersect the x-axis, its x-coordinate is called 0. Suppose that here line passing through minus 3. That's why minus 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay. Suppose the line here, send me. What is 0 here? 4. Okay. Suppose this line passing like this. What is 0? 1. Another line passing like this. What is 0? Minus 1. Simple. Correct or no? That means, listen, geometrical meaning of a zero of a polynomial means where the line cross the x-axis, its x-coordinate. Samjha?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. In a state, this line, how many chances to cross the x-axis?
One line.
Infinite.
Infinite. Oh, this line coming back to here.
Okay.
Oh, then our mathematical theorem all wrong. Correct or no? Because we learned lower class onwards straight line only. Correct or no? Like light passing. Light is, you're telling light going like this and we're coming back to here. Right? No. It is, I don't know, modern physics, maybe later we'll find. Okay. So many things we learn. Okay. These are all developments, all scientific invention only within 100 years only. Okay. So here, this one, that means a linear polynomial has only one zero. Why? Because once only it's crossed the x-axis. Okay, we can say a linear polynomial has one and only one. What's the meaning that? Only one zero. Okay, we clear now? Okay, okay. Now linear polynomial. What is the linear polynomial? Means a polynomial of degree 1. A polynomial of degree 1. It is called linear polynomial. Standard form is ax plus b, a not equal to 0. Ax plus b, a not equal to 0. Okay. Then second one. Next polynomial. Okay. A polynomial of degree 2. It is called quadratic polynomials. I mean quadratic polynomials. Okay, no? Quadratic polynomials. Its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0. Okay. Why I'm telling a not equal to 0 here? Because if a 0, it will be a constant polynomial, b only. Understand now? If a 0, because only constant only. Okay. Here also a 0, what happened? It will be a linear polynomial. Okay. So now a polynomial based on the degree, based on the term, one term monomial, two term binomial, three term trinomials, and etc. etc. Okay. Based on the degree 1, linear polynomials. Degree 2, quadratic polynomials. Degree 3, cubic polynomials. Degree 4, it is called the biquadratic polynomials. Okay, clear now? Okay. Now we finished. Now linear polynomials part is finished. Okay. Now we are going to the. After that we can write. Just get the idea about the. No, don't write anything. Okay. After that we'll write. Okay. This guy waiting for twice. Okay. So wait, man. Okay. Interesting thing is coming. Okay. Look. Suppose a polynomial x square, y equal to x square. Okay. So Krishna, you understood what is the linear polynomials and all? Anyone have
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Mega, is it okay? Nirmal. Sahidi, is it clear now? Linear polynomials.
Yes, sir.
Shreya.
Yes, sir.
So okay, I just go to the now quadratic polynomials. Look at here. Here also I'm going to draw the graph. Okay, let us see. Okay, come on, man. Hey, what happened to you? You want issue? Okay, look at here. Quadratic polynomials. I just get. I need more points. Okay, let us see. It's very interesting now. Okay. Oh, more points. Okay. Nine, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Okay. Okay. Just 1 minute. I want to add your name. Your name? And
SPAR.
okay. Okay. Let us see. Okay. Okay. So here, restaurant name I call no. So that's fine. I have to make a finalist. Anna came for it. Okay. The ABK. I thought they're not coming. Happy. I thought happy you're not coming. Okay. Pradarshini, Ibrahim not come. Okay. Nick Nirmal not come. Nirmal supposed to be Nirmal here. There. Okay. Good. One seat we got now. Nirmal here. Okay. It will jump here. Okay. So look at here. When you draw the graph. Okay. If you are good in studies, if you are very attentive, online okay, but some guys very sleepy. Okay. Hey, I didn't say it. Okay. So what the name? And we are so sleepy. Okay. Okay. All your friends here. One building. Somebody said, "Oh, the all." Okay. 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 So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay. -1, -2, minus. Okay. I'm going to plot the graph. This one. Okay. Oh, your notebook still not open now. Oh. Hey, no, don't open. Okay. Why you just writing something? You just try to understand the chapter. I don't want to write every time writing. Okay. First of all, we learn how to learn. Otherwise, we try to understand what is the chapter. Okay. Look, -3, 9. Here. Okay. -2, 4. Here. -1, 1. 0 here. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 4. Then 9. Like this. Okay. When you draw the graph, come on. It's come like this. Right? Okay. So this type of graph, this is the shape of the quadratic polynomial graph shape like this. Okay. Clear? Okay. This shape, it is called parabola. Parabolas. What do you call? Parabolas. Okay. Maybe thinking about why always like this. Okay. Sometimes, okay, here, this is the shape, it's called parabolas. Okay. What do you call? Parabolas. I'll give the note. This all I'll give the note because class time. Okay. Then sometimes this, suppose it comes like this. Okay. Okay. And sometimes it comes like this. Like this. Okay. Here 3 graphs there is. The first one, I call it first one. Okay. First one, figure 1. Okay. This is 2. This one, 3. Okay. The first one, crossing the x-axis, how many places? 2 places, right? -2 and 2. It is crossing. Crossing the x-axis at 2 places. So there is 2 0 there is. Understood now? See, we learn where the line cross the x-axis, that is the 0 of the polynomial. Unfortunately, linear equations, linear polynomial, only once only cross. That's it, 1 0. Here, 2 0 there is. Why? Because the graph crossing the x-axis at 2 points. Okay. Now, can you say what are the zeros here?
So -2.
-2 and +2. -2 and 2. Okay. We can generate 3 questions here. Listen. Question number 1. How many zeros, Anjali? This graph, figure 1. How many zeros? Eh? How many? I'm asking you, how many zeros? How many times this graph crosses the x-axis? 2 places. Okay. Suppose another graph. Okay, Anjali, confusion. Listen here. Anjali, how many zeros will be here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How you just count how many times you cross the x-axis, that number of zeros. It's clear now? How many times? Okay, another thing, there will be a test after next week onwards. Okay, online here only test. Don't think. Okay. Okay, here only test. Okay, I'll give time. I'll give the paper. You don't want to. Okay. Okay, so you cannot write from outside and here class itself. Okay. Okay. See here the graph cross 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 zeros. Come back to here. Okay. Because we don't want that now. Okay. The figure 1. The graph cross the x-axis at 2 places. That means number of zero is 2. Okay. First question we answer. Number of zeros. Come on, man. 1 mark there is this one. 1 mark means 1.25%, man. 1 divided by 80 to 100, how much? 1.25% only. Okay, maybe maybe 0.25% only. You miss something full. Okay, so number of zeros is 2. Okay, now what's your name? Shruti. What are the zeros? -2. Okay. Next question. Sahid. What's the name? Sahid. Okay. What are the zeros? Okay. Find the coordinate of the zeros here. My question, listen. First question, Anjali answered. Number of zeros. 2, she said. Shruti said, what are the zeros? That is -2 and +2. Now my question, write the coordinate of the zeros. What are the coordinates here? -2, 0, here 2, 0. Now clear or not? Clear now? Okay. Suppose this graph like this, one more graph I'm showing here. Okay. You, what's the name? Okay. It answer all the 3 questions. How many zeros?
2.
What are the zeros?
-3 and 3.
-3 and 3. The okay. Are you okay? What are the coordinates of zeros?
-3, 0 and 3, 0.
-3, 0. Be very careful writing. Okay. So now clear now. Okay. So figure 1, we have 2 zeros. Okay. Figure 2, how many zeros? Only 1 zero. Why? The graph touching only 1 place. 1 place touching the 1 0. Okay. Figure 3. No zeros. Why? Not touching. Not touching the x-axis means no zero. This polynomial never be, and we cannot make zeros. For example, x square plus 1. Can you make a 0? X square plus 1. Look, x square plus 1. You substitute 0, you'll get 1. Substitute -1, 2. -2, 5. Even you substitute minus value, plus value, 0. Any other values we can give or not? Close the curtain. Okay. Okay. Any other value? No other values in my hand. Okay. So, okay. Okay. So we cannot make 0. That means no zeros. Understood? If the graph is not crossing, not touching the x-axis, that no zeros. So understood now? That means a quadratic polynomial. Maximum how many zeros? 2. We can say at most. At most, what is the meaning? Maximum. It can be 2 or what? 1 or no zeros. No zero. Okay. So suppose you are going for a party. Okay. You requested 5 dinar. At least 5 dinar we need. Okay. If you get 10, you happy or not? Very happy, right? No? Right? Correct or not? But Atibi, unfortunately, instead of at least he asked at most 5 dinar. He requested instead of at least, what he requested? At most. What happened? 5 you should have happy. 4 also happy. 3 also happy. 2 also very happy. 1 also happy. No money also happy. Why? At most only. Okay. No currency man. Okay. Okay. So yeah.
You have to pay them.
Okay. Yeah. Then penalty. Okay. Okay. So that's the problem. Clear now? Okay. One guy declared his own country, his own currency and all recently, right? No? In UN, he said, right? Okay. Okay, I forgot the name. Something, one guy, he himself, he made a country. Some islands you can buy. Some islands we can buy the islands. Well, we can make a country, his own passport. He make his own passport, his picture, like that. Okay. Okay. If you have some money, you can buy a full island. You can stress it. Maybe you alone. Okay. So, okay. Some animals will eat you. Okay. 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 So, they want to eat something now. We also like that only before. When we were in jungle, actually our condition was very bad. Human, because we cannot serve the food like animals. Okay. Actually, at that time, we wait. The lion and dog, their food, no, lion not eat full. Suppose lion got a cow or something, animals not eat full. Balance will be there. Okay, then we eat it. Like that will be survival. Okay, it was very pathetic condition was human. Just on animals, how idea how to catch the food. Okay, so our condition is very bad. Okay, come to the point. So here, where it is now? Okay, so. Okay, here no zeros, 1 0 and 2 zeros. Okay, at most 2 zeros. Okay, come on. A quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros. That means can be 2, can be 1 or no zeros. Okay. Okay, now my question. This graph, why always like this? It can be
Because we're two different.
Okay, and I saw another graph. Okay. Sometimes it comes like this. It's like this. Okay. What is the difference this one and this one? No. Coordinates, no. What is the difference this one and this one?
Why is minus?
Ulta, what the meaning? Okay, ulta means the correct man.
Rotated 180.
Okay, what he said correct? Eh? No. What he said correct, man. It's open up, open down. That's what he said. No, correct? Right? Take a lottery, man. Okay. Big B lottery. Okay. So, what's your name? Okay. Yes. Okay. So there's a sense. Understood now? He has a sense. See? Okay. Cool down. Okay. So this one. Hey, if you want to write something, you don't write on the board, okay, or desk, okay. Okay, I know you like sometime, okay. So here, this one open up. Here what? Open down. Okay, this all called parabolas only. This is the parabola. This also parabolas. Okay, but this one open up. This one open down. Okay, how it's happened? Hey, you have another question on your mind. Okay, sometimes open up, sometimes open down. How it's come on? Any idea?
Why is negative?
No. Okay, you can answer it because purely class 10. Okay. Suppose the quadratic polynomial general form is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. If a positive, it is open up. That means if a greater than 0, like 3x square, open up. A negative minus 3x square, that is open down. This is the okay. A quadratic polynomial, if it is open, it is a if a less than 0, open up. A greater than 0, open A less than 0, open down. A greater than 0, open up. Okay. So what is the shape of the graph? It is called what? Parabolas. Okay. And another question. So then number of 0 means how many times it's crossed the x-axis. For example, I have one question, a tricky question. Okay, good answer. Okay. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So any police can answer it. Okay. Okay. So, I thought. Look, my question now. What's the name? Human. Okay. How many zeros? You don't. Okay. You are only one. Sure. Oh, come on, man. What are you telling like this? Okay. Okay. You 4. You 4. Good. 5. 1. You 1.
Yes, sir.
1. Hey, you. Why all 1? Anjali. 1. Sure. Why? Because it's crossed the x-axis only once only. This one marked by the node. Okay. It's all y-axis only, no use. Okay. It's clear now? Okay. Now we have something to take the notebook. Hello, everyone take the notebook. I just I not going to write everything. Okay, so just points. Okay. Okay. Hey, come on. Right. 0 of a point. I know. I don't quite really not rest on because that's what you learn already. Okay. You can check. Hello. Hey, come on. After the class, you can check your reader. Class 9 reader also. Polynomial chapter. The class 10 reader also. We have a class 10 reader, right? No. Right. We don't have, right? If don't say no. No problem. Go to site, download polynomial chapter. Okay. Right. 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. A real number k. A real number k. A real number k is said to be a 0 of a polynomial. A real number k. A real number k. A real number k is said to be a 0 of a polynomial. Is said to be a 0 of a polynomial if p of k equal to 0. If p of k equal to 0. A real number, son, we are the note. A real number k is said to be a 0 of a polynomial. A real number k is said to be a 0 of a polynomial. A real number k is said to be a 0 of a polynomial p of x. P of x, then p of k equal to 0. Here now? Okay, that way. Example. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Find the 0 of the polynomial. Not a question, just examples. Okay. Find the 0 of a polynomial. X plus 3. X plus 3. What do you write? X plus 3. 0 is what? Minus 3. X minus 2. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. X plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. You write that one. Okay. You write polynomial and 0. Right? No? Like that. Clear now what you write? X minus 1. Minus x minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Ashwin, so okay now, you're writing now? Hello, Ashlyn,
Yes, sir.
Ananya.
Yes, sir.
So x plus root 2, what? Minus root. Okay. Then write a point linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1. A polynomial having degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Okay. Then the standard form of a linear polynomial is ax plus b, ax plus b, ax plus b, a not equal to 0, a not equal to 0. Okay. A linear polynomial has one and only one 0. A linear polynomial has one and only one 0. One and only one 0. Okay. Then a polynomial having degree 2. A polynomial having degree 2 is called. Okay. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay. A quadratic. Okay. The standard form of a quadratic polynomial. The standard form of a quadratic polynomial. The standard form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Okay. Then a quadratic polynomial has a quadratic.
Can you repeat the standard form?
Okay, listen once again. Once again, repeating. Okay. The standard form of a quadratic polynomial. The standard form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c, comma, a not equal to 0. Okay. Clear now?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then a quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros. At most 2 zeros. At most. Okay. Okay. Then write geometrical representation of a linear polynomial. Geometrical representation of a linear polynomials. Okay. Okay, now listen. Y equal to x plus 3. We have make the graph. Just a rough graph. Want to go to graph paper and just for information only. Okay. X, y, minus 3, 0, 0, 3. Okay. Draw the graph. Okay. Just a rough graph. Okay. Draw the graph. You know how to draw, right? No? Okay, like this. See. Need to draw. Okay. Okay. Y equal to x plus 3. Who is the Shreyas? What is the mobile number?
So 980 72
72.
629. That's my mom's number.
Okay. I just pass your paper, just set your number correct or not. If any number to add, also. Okay, finish. Okay, then right. The graph of finish, Bhargavi, it's finished, no? The graph finished or not? Janani,
Yes, sir.
okay. Then right. The graph of y equal to x plus 3. The graph of y equal to x plus 3. Intersect the x-axis. Intersect the x-axis at -3. At -3. At -3. That is the point. That is the point -3, 0. Right or not? Listen once again. The graph of listen and again. The graph of y equal to x plus 3 intersect x-axis. Intersect x-axis at x equal to -3. That is -3, 0. So the zero of x plus 3 is -3. Zero is right. Zero of x plus 3 is -3. Right. Thus the zero of the polynomial. Thus the zero of the polynomial. Thus the zero of the polynomial. Thus the zero of the polynomial x plus 3 is the x coordinate. Zero of the polynomial x plus 3 is the x coordinate of the point. Where the graph intersect the x-axis. Where the graph intersect the x-axis. Clear now this point? Once again, I read the zero of the polynomial x plus 3 is the x coordinate of the point where the line intersects the x-axis. Okay. A linear polynomial has one and only one zeros. A linear polynomial has one and only one zeros. A linear polynomial has one and only one zeros. Okay. Now, after that, we draw the graph of this one. Y equal to x squared. A rough work, okay. You plot. Just for information only, okay. So we're not going to the example point. 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9. Okay. We make a graph. I will explain to that. I not doing all. Okay. Okay, make the graph. You plot the graph and make it, okay? Not like this, you make it points, okay? Okay, then right. Right, the graph of a quadratic polynomials. The graph of a quadratic polynomials. Number not here. The graph of a quadratic. The graph of a quadratic polynomial. The graph of a quadratic polynomial is called parabolas. Parabolas. PA, RA, BO, LAS. Parabolas. Okay. Parabola. Okay. Then you make some graph. Same graph, same paper, same your sheet. Now where you did, you can draw some graph like this. Just rough. Okay. Make no touch. Here also like this. Make figure. Okay. No need separate. Just for information on this one. Okay. Okay, then right. The shape of there are two types of parabolas. There are two types of parabolas. There are two types of parabolas. That is open up or open down. Open up or open down. Open up or open down. Okay. If A greater than 0, very important point. If A greater than 0, if A greater than 0, open up. Like this. A greater than 0, open up. A less than 0, open down. A less than 0, open down. Okay. Okay. Clear now? Okay. Now once again, listen. Once again, hello. Listen. A quadratic linear finish. Linear graph shape is a straight line. Only one zero. Okay. A quadratic polynomial. graph shape is called parabolas. There are two types of parabolas. It is open up and open down. Both are called parabolas. Okay. It depends on if a greater than 0, that means a more than 0, it is open up. A less than 0, that means negative, it is open down. It's clear now? Okay. And if the graph, okay, then right, a quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. A quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. At most two zeros. A quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. A quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. Okay. So now everyone close the book, nothing to write. Okay. So now so far we discuss only zeros of a linear polynomial and zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Up to here clear? Okay. Listen. These are the points we discussed today. Not finished. Okay. The point number 1, what is algebraic expression? Point number 2, polynomial. Then different types of polynomials: monomial, binomial, trinomials, etc. Then poly. Then we discuss degree. What is the degree? Then we discuss constant polynomials, zero polynomial. Then we discuss linear polynomials, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomials. Okay. Then we discuss value of the polynomials. Then zero of the polynomials. We solve class 9. When you reach the class 10th, the zero geometrical, don't write, geometrical meaning of a zero of a polynomial. In linear polynomials, when you draw the graph, it crosses only one place. So that's why it is only 1, 0. There now we notice that the point means the zero of a linear polynomial is where the line intersects the x-axis, its x-coordinate. Where the line intersects the x-axis, its x-coordinate is called the zero. Quadratic polynomials, maximum at most 2 zeros. If it is the graph intersect 2 places, 2 zeros. Graph intersect 1 place is 1 0. Graph intersect x-axis, what? No zeros. Okay. The shape of the quadratic polynomial, it is called parabolas. It can be open up, it can be open down. Yeah. Okay. Now close the book. Nothing to write. Close, man. Okay. Now there is a relation between that's important point. Relation between zeros and coefficients of a quadratic polynomials. Okay. Suppose a quadratic polynomials ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. A means coefficient of x square. B means coefficient of x. C means coefficient of c is constant. Okay. Now 3x square plus 2x plus 1. U. What is A? B. B what? 2. C what? 1. Okay. What is B? Oh, that's a problem. Come on. A is what? Listen, you don't think about the order. Think like this. A means the coefficient of x squared. B means coefficient of x. C is a constant. Okay. Suppose 6 plus 3x plus x squared. What is A? 1. A is 1. Okay. Anyone doubt that one? Sure, no? B what? 3. C what? Okay. Minus 3x square minus 2x minus plus 1. What is A? 3. B what? Minus 2. C what? Everyone okay? Hello. It's okay. Everyone okay now? Normal. It's clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now look. So in case if you cannot something transport issues or any other issues, okay, you can attend online. There's no problem. But online students cannot attend offline. Okay, understood? Because there's no space. That's the problem. Okay, or if you suppose one day something reason, okay, the transport problem or any reasons, you can attend offline. There is no online you can attend it. But online students, no chance to attend. Okay. Because the problem is no seat. That's something. Okay. Okay. So now, okay. Okay, come on. Ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Then what is the what we can start? The relationship between zeros and coefficients. Okay. We know that a quadratic polynomial at most 2 zeros. We are calling that zeros are alpha and beta. You heard about alpha and beta? Alpha raised, beta raised, gamma raised, and all right. It's a Greek letter for Greek letters only. Greek was the famous everywhere. Like Rome numbers still here now. Class 10, 1, 2, 3, and still we are using the Rome emperor. They introduced all. Okay. But Rome, the numbers not suitable for the computer language. Okay. But now numerical number there is. Okay. Arabs only found that now. In Indian also saying zero also. But now new argument there is that also not from India, some other places. Okay. Okay. Doubt about that. But it is called Indo-Arabs. Arabs only. This 1, 2, 3. Actually, algebra originated from Arabs. That's why algebra. Algebra. Okay. Like Al-Kubus. Al-Bred. Okay. Al-Fahil. Okay. Like that. Okay. Okay. Eh? Okay. So like that, algebra and algorithm. It's all from Arabs. Okay. So now ax square plus bx please. Okay. Alpha and beta. Careful. Alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomials. What is the relation? Look, there are two relations here. Alpha and beta, only two relations also there is. The one is called sum. Second one is called product. It is linked with the class 9 polynomials. It may be the sum. Yeah, factor set. Good to you. Okay. The sum and product. You know what? No, I explain the sum and product. Right? Okay. So alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta means sum. Alpha beta means product. Alpha plus beta is connected with like this, minus b by a. That means the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. What? The coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. And alpha beta, it is c by a. Okay, that means constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay. Now, it's better right now. After the close the book and I'll ask the question. Okay, right. Otherwise, you won't get time. What do you wrote? You wrote something heading? No. Right. Relationship between, right? Everyone, right? Relationship between zeros and coefficients of a relationship between zeros and coefficients of a the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial, of a quadratic polynomial. Okay, then right. Let alpha beta, everyone write this neatly. Okay, this is very important point. Okay, wrote this here, we need this one. Let alpha beta, let alpha and alpha, you know how to write. Okay, alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Let alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c, then like alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a equal to, right, minus coefficient of x minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient means short form, you write COEF minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Okay. Then alpha beta c by a. Alpha beta c by a. You write equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, just look at this form. Then I'm going to explain. Then close the book. The thing to do after that. Okay. Look, now everyone get the question. You have to answer. Okay, you have to say alpha plus beta what? Alpha beta what? Okay. So first I'll ask. Ready, all guys, online guys also started. I'm going to ask the question. Okay. Okay. 3x square plus, close the book and pen also. Throw the pen. Okay. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. And then now, what is alpha plus beta?
Minus 2
Minus 2. After that,
divided by 3.
minus 2 by 3. Correct, Alma? Minus
Yes,
2
sir.
divided by 3. Okay. Alpha beta what? And then also again
So it's 1 by 3.
1 by 3. Right? Okay. Next question, Aisha, can you answer?
Yes, sir.
5x square plus 7x plus 1. What is alpha plus beta?
So minus 7x by 5x
No,
squared.
no need x. Only coefficient. See what you wrote. Listen,
Oh, yes, sir.
alpha plus beta means minus coefficient of x. X, forget about it. Minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. So that is a minus 7 by 5.
5.
Okay. Alpha beta.
1
what is
by
C?
5.
What is C?
So 1,
1 divided by
5.
5. Okay, now everyone answering. Just listen all. I'll give you a question in between. Okay. Then 7x square, Anjali, 2x plus 1. Alpha plus beta. Okay, listen. Alpha plus beta minus, careful all. Hello, come on, man. Alpha plus beta minus b by a, minus a default in your pocket. So minus of b negative already here. Minus 2 divided by 7. That is what? 2 by 6. Already one negative there. Okay, negative of negative. That means positive. 2 by 7. Okay. What is alpha beta? 1 by 7. Clear now, Anjali? Okay. 3x square minus 5x plus 1. What is alpha plus beta? 5 by 3. Alpha beta 1 by 3. 3x square plus 1. Shravan, what is alpha plus beta?
0 by 3.
0. What is alpha beta? Deep. Alpha beta
1 by
1 by 3. Okay. 7x square plus 5x plus 10. U. Alpha plus beta. Minus 5 by 7. Alpha beta. Alpha beta 10 by 7. Okay. What's your name? Jenny. Okay. Alpha plus beta what? 3. Alpha beta 1 by 3. Sanvi, alpha plus beta. Alpha beta 1 by 3. You, alpha plus beta.
2 by
2
2 by
carefully attend the class, okay? Alpha plus beta, 2 by 5. 2 by 4. Alpha beta, 5 by, you asking me or you answering? Okay, confidently, 5. Okay, didn't eat anything today. Okay. So, look. Which are alpha plus beta? Alpha beta. Okay, now you alpha beta 1 by 7. Okay, okay, and now 10x squared minus 2x plus 1. 2 by 10. Alpha beta 1 by 10. This is all dummy questions only. Maybe you think, what a fool I'm telling. 2 by 10, I agreed. 2 by 10, you can write 1 by 5. Okay. These are dummy questions. Okay. That's why I just understand. Okay. Root 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. What is alpha plus beta? 3 by minus 3 by. Okay. This is a very important thing. Next class, I'm starting from this only. Okay. I'm not going to ask other things. This is you careful about what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta. This chapter main thing this only. Okay, what is alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha beta c by a. Clear now? Okay, so before coming Sunday, first you just go to the tomorrow free now. You just go to class 9, not just read chapter. Just read, come on, just read like this. Then if you have class 9 notebook, class 10 reader also just read it. You can see so many pictures is there. You can see now. See, picture is easy to understand. Look. Okay. Don't say I don't have reader. Reader will get only 5th March only. To net NCRT reader polynomials. You can download. Okay. So don't say that excuse. Okay. Okay. Then read out today's note. Mainly alpha plus beta what? Alpha beta what? And what is A? A means what? Coefficient of x squared. Maybe order different. Maybe A there or B there. But order A means coefficient of x squared. B means coefficient of x. C means coefficient of C means constant. Okay, that's enough today. So the next class Sunday. Now, okay, everyone okay?